Putting an end to months of speculation, US President Donald Trump has announced that imports from India will attract 25% tariff from the 1st of August. But it gets worse. He said that the US would impose quote-unquote a penalty because India buys oil and military equipment from Russia, imposes high tariffs, and has several non-monetary barriers to trade. This new tariff rate is marginally lower than the 26% tariff that Trump had threatened to levy on Indian imports earlier. We do not know what the additional penalty is, as Trump did not specify what form they will take. The Indian government said that it is studying the implications of Trump's announcement and it is still hopeful of concluding a fair, balanced, and a mutually beneficial trade agreement. The government said it will take all steps to secure the country's national interest. It also added that both countries are in negotiations to conclude a fair, balanced, and a mutually beneficial bilateral trade agreement over the last few months. Both countries have been negotiating a potential BTA since February when Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the US. At that time, the two leaders stated that the deal would be concluded by the fall of this year. Negotiators are also trying to work out a mini trade deal that would walk back on the retaliatory tariffs that Trump announced for India and other countries back in April. This mini deal too has not yet been finalized. Over the past month, the US has closed trade deals with many countries including the UK, Indonesia, Japan, and the European Union.